Sometimes the thing that you run away from are the things that are running after you the most. Yes, I'm moving to the big capital. And you can see I'm really happy about it. So, I am moving to Berlin, as you guys can already tell. Berlin is the city I never wanted to go, and it's never have been my thing. I've been living in Dresden for 4 years. Love this city, but life has always something else planned, and so yeah, stay tuned if you're interested. Only thing that makes me not lose my shiz is the fact that Dresden is only 2 hours away. So if I'm sad, I can just come in 2 hours back to the city.
Days later.
We are in the apartment. I decided to let a little bit of days pass because I wanted to gather my thought and settle a little bit. Excuse me for the echo because I have literally no furniture in my apartment, as you're gonna see. And yeah, let me take you guys through the apartment tour. So this is the main door, and there is a little bit of like a corner for storing your stuff that I built. This is like the corridor. When you enter the apartment, there is the sleeping room, like the bedroom, there's the bathroom, and here's the living room and my bedroom. It's like not the smallest bedroom, but at the same time it's not the biggest one. So right now I just have like this mattress going on. I have ordered for my bed. I don't know when is it gonna come. So yeah, mattress, a little vintage lamp. This is the view from outside. Turn this side, I've got this closet that was built. I helped putting the handles on this closet, so yay me. And after the sleeping room, you walk again to the corridor. I will show you the bathroom at the end because bathroom is kind of like my favorite spot right now because it is the most organized place in the whole apartment. So here I have a big living room. I actually really like it that it's like pretty big, and as you can see I have nothing right now. It's just the first thing I bought was like mattress, fridge, and the washing machine. Here the apartments don't come with a kitchen, so this is my kitchen place, but I don't have the kitchen yet. Having kitchen take a lot of time, so I have like this temporary solution. This fixable kitchen. You can like get it from IKEA, but beautiful balcony. And the best thing is that I have the door from my kitchen and also from my living room to the balcony. So look at this, guys. My balcony is like huge. Don't mind my clothes, but look at this. The balcony is actually pretty. And now I'm gonna take you guys to the best part of my apartment right now. Not because it looks the prettiest, but because it's the most organized. Ta-da! I love my bathroom right now, like literally. It's giving me life. The only thing that makes me really happy right now in this whole apartment is my bathroom. I still don't have the brush holder, so a little hack, you're welcome. That's how the bathroom is looking right now. I actually like it. As I said, I haven't finished the bathroom yet. And excuse me for this, I am drying my duvet cover. So that's the whole apartment. So guys, that was my apartment tour. I know it's nothing fancy or nothing over the top, but at least it's something that's mine. I have been living a student life until now, and I've been living with people in shared apartment situations. So I'm really happy to have the whole space to my own. Because in Berlin, it's pretty normal that people kind of share their apartments because rents here are very expensive. So I decided I could live in the outskirts, but I would prefer to have my own apartment. And to be honest, the fact that I was coming to my own apartment made the whole process of moving a little bit bearable. Because I'm not gonna lie, after 4 or 5 days, I have decided to put on makeup and sit like that in front of the camera because I was really sad and depressed to leave Dresden. To be honest, I'm still coping. I never wanted to come here, but that's what life had in store for me, and that's okay. I'm really excited to decorate my whole apartment and take you guys to the journey. I'm really excited about how am I going to put my kitchen. So yeah, fingers crossed. I know I'm really sorry I haven't been making so many videos lately because I've been so stressed and I've been going through so many mixed emotions. So I wanted to take some time to myself and then come back when I felt like refreshed and happy enough. So I hope you guys understand me and I try to be as regular as possible. I will take you to my adventures now here in Berlin, and hopefully they're gonna be more great adventures than bad ones. So I will stop yip yapping, and if you like this little vlog, then do not forget to like, subscribe, share, and follow me. I will see you in the next video very soon. Thank you everybody for watching. Bye.